This is easily in the top 5 most insane snow maps that I have issued since I've started covering this in Michigan, which has been a long time now. So let's take a look at the snowfall potential right off the bat. 24 to 36 inches of snow in the Upper Peninsula. So not only are we going to have a powerful storm system, but we'll have lake enhancement off Lake Superior, and that is going to create some very intense snowfall rates that could be in excess of maybe 3 to 4 inches an hour, because we're going to have some extremely cold air come on in. So the snow will gradually go from a normal, or if not wetter snow, down into more fluffy snow as we get colder. But yeah, just about the entire UP can expect at least a foot of snow. Now, notice that red circled area that says area of uncertainty. There's still a little bit of a wobble in the exact track of the system. If it wobbles a little further south, those higher snow totals will come further south as well. That'll be a significant change when you're talking about how much snow we're expecting. So I will just leave it open to the possibility that I could shift this a little bit depending on new information as I get it. But right now, this is it. I'm calling it as I see it. And the west side of the lower peninsula is going to have the typical lake effect pattern go down that way as well. Now, this was geared more for like a social media post, so I had to shift the snowfall map over, but the key points here are strengthening storm system, mixed turns to heavy snow, extremely high wind gusts, power outages possible, blizzard conditions, almost impossible travel in the Upper Peninsula, and then dangerous cold coming our way as well. So here's how things look. There's a little clock at the very top of your screen. So this is Sunday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We have a lot of rain coming down across the state, even some thunderstorms from Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Lansing, Detroit, Flint. Thunderstorms, yeah. So we could be looking for a lot of standing water out there because there's still a little bit of snow for some areas and some snow piles to melt, especially on the west side of the state. And of course, the UP will be doing some melting as well. But going forward here, this is 7 o'clock. You're starting to see that transition over to snow in the Upper Peninsula. The pink around Sault Ste. Marie is indicating the possibility for freezing rain or some sleet, and that hangs around for a little while as we swirl some warm air up over that area. This is 1 o'clock in the morning now, overnight Sunday into Monday. You can see the heavy snow switching over, and that continues overnight into Monday morning. Now, this is Monday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. System starting to move out. This is a lot of lake effect and a little bit of residual system energy on the back side, but it's still very heavy snow and very high winds coming on through. We'll finally start to wrap things up later Monday night. So it's going to be an all-day Sunday and all-day Monday thing coming our way.